Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about some basic Linux command. In the first video, I already discussed about some Linux command. In this video, I will continue my lecture and talk about some more Linux command that you can use. So my first command is info. Info will basically show the online information about a command. Here I want to see the information about cd command. It will give me all the information about this command. Okay, this is basically the online information about cd command. Now I want to see the detail of a command. We can use the command main, and we can write any command. Like here I want to see the detail of cd command. It will give me all the detail about the cd command. So next, if you want to show a short description about a specific keyword or a specific command, you can use what is. It will show you a short description. Okay, next command is type. If you want to show the location of a command file, you can use type in cd. It will basically show you the location of a command. Next command is ls. Ls command you can use um, it is basically used to assign a command ls. It is basically used to execute the large file. If, for example, if you have a very large file and you want to execute it very quickly, you can use the ls command. Like here I am using ls to execute this command. Okay, if you want to unls, you can use unls. So by using these commands, you can execute the process very quick, or you can also stop the execution. If you want to create a link to a file and directories, you can use ln command. It will basically create a link for a file or a directory. If you want to create a file that I already discussed in the previous video, you can use touch command. Here I want to create a new file, which is bioinfo.txt. So in this file, here I want to basically add some text. You can use like I want to add I love bioinfo, the same way I did previously. So if I want to see what is inside this file, I can use cat and then I can print it. Okay, by using this one, you can see whatever the text is present in the file, which is bioinfo.txt. Okay, now if you want to display the location of some executable file, you can use the command which. Okay, but in this tutorial I am not talking about this file. I will only talk about different commands that you can use to process some file. For example, if you want to copy the data from one file to another file, what you can do. Here I will first create another file, which is bi.txt. Okay, now I want to copy the text from bioinfo.txt to bi.txt. What I can do, I will use the command dd. Okay, here I will write the name of one file. Okay, I want to copy the text from bioinfo.txt to another file, which is bi.txt. Okay, so this command dd copy the text from from bioinfo to bi.txt. If you want to see whether the text is copied or not, you can use the cat command. Here you can see it is copied. I love bioinfo is copied in the file bi.txt. Our new file is our new command is diff. Diff basically show the difference between bioinfo file and bi file. In simple way, you can say that Diff command is basically used to see the difference between two files. Here I want to see the difference between bioinfo.txt and bi.txt. Okay, here you can see there is no difference, so I'm not getting any information. If you want to see more about a file, okay, if you want to see you can use the more command. You can also use a less command if you want to see one page at a time. We have another file, another command, which is wc. Wc command is used to display the number of lines, words, or character in a file. For example, I want to see how many words or lines are inside the file bi.txt. I can use command wc. So here you can see how many character I have, how many words I have, and how many lines. I have 1 line, 3 words, and 15 character in the file bi.txt. So next command that we can use is cut command. What does this command do? This command will extract the first field from each line in our input file. For example, my input file is uh, like here I will do my input file is bi.txt. So it will extract the first field, like for example it will extract the first word. Okay, next command is grep. I already talked about this command in the previous tutorial. So if you want to know about the grep file, first watch my first video. Our next command is set. What does this command do? This command will replace all the occurrence of old with new in the file.txt. Okay, so what can I do? So you just have to write this command like this. So it will display whatever you have in the file. Next we have a split command. What does this command will you do? It will split the text into chunks. Okay, for example, I want to split split the text in my file, which is bi.txt, into 100. I want to split the file, okay, the text in the file into chunks of 100 lines. Okay, it will display. Next command that I have is sort command. What this command will do? This will sort the lines. You can use the command and then bi.txt, the file name. Okay, it will display everything. So if you want to remove the duplicates line from the file, actually I don't have any duplicate lines, but if you have, you can use. For this I can create a new file and show you how you can do it. Actually I don't have any duplicate file, but you can write the command unique and then bi.txt. I have everything unique, so it will show you everything unique. If you want to compress a file, you can use the command compress, and then you can write the name of your file. It will compress your file. Here now I want to uncompress my file. If you want to see my compressed file, like here you can see. Now I want to uncompress a file. What I will do? Uncompress, then bi.txt. I think this command didn't work, the compress command. So maybe there is some issue. Actually we don't have a lot of data in the file, so maybe this is not working. So like this you can use these commands, these different commands in the Linux. Next command, like if you want to display the calendar, you can use cal. Okay, I want to see the calendar of 2025. It will display each month, dates, everything is here. So the next command, if I want to see the date, I can use the date command. So here today is 13th Feb, it give me the date. Next command, these commands are basically used for managing the process. Okay, so if I went to restart a process which is already paused in the background, I can use bg command. Okay, so next command is if I want to display the free memory to see how to see the free memory in the human readable format, I can use this command. I think I already talked about this command previously. So another very good command is nice command. So if you want to run a command but you don't want to give a priority to that, I mean you don't want to give a focus to that command, you can use this command. So nice command. Another command that you can use is ps. I already talked about this one as well. Another is the top command. But my top command, with what this command do, this command will display real time GPU and memory utilization. I already discussed in the last video. So the next command is reboot. Reboot command, what will this command will do, this command will reboot the system. I don't want to reboot, so I will not use this command. Next command is shut down. If you want to shut down the system immediately, if you just want to shut down it now, you can use this command. I don't want to shut down my system now, so I will not use this command. So this was all about different commands that you can use in your daily life. In the next video, I will talk about some advanced level Linux command. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.